Welcome to Glam.
Hi mga kaboomers, I'm here again for product review and idea about products. Yun. So yesterday we went to SM to find a makeup brush which is I need for my palette, which I bought at Estee Lauder. Okay, first and foremost, for me, packaging is really important next to the item itself. So we walk around to find the best deal from the seller, best offer from the seller. So upon how many times walking around, we found this BYS set of brushes, which is this one. Look, it's look like a book, but it's nice. Upon seeing this one, I was attracted and thinking for unboxing purposes. Look, oh, so nice. There are some products or brand of the brushes there at SM, but although the packaging is good, but too much expensive for me. There are some that cheaper from the other one, but the packaging is not presentable, if the term is right, unpresentable. Unlike this one, they offer 70% off from the original price, which I bought this one 300 plus, compared to the other brand, which is 1,099, 1,499, etc., etc. All the products that we seen there, this is the cheaper one. And see how the packaging itself, the set of brushes, a set of five brushes, and this one is soft. Oh, this is soft and it's good for sensitive skin. Very soft. It's so comfortable. It's so soft to apply with your skin, into your skin. I prefer this one compared to others because of the price, the packaging, the color. I want red, I want maroon for this year. And, and it matches with my palette, this one from Stay Lauder. For me, it's really matters about the packaging. It's really important to attract customers and potential buyers about the packaging next to the product itself. To attract customer, the seller should think about the packaging. It's really nice. This is good for unboxing purposes. And the box is presentable. This is hard. This really attract me as a customer. The packaging. It can be collection as well. They have also like different colors, but not brush. It is a palette than lipstick that was in the box. I don't need that one. But if you prefer to have a collection of their boxes, you can buy with their makeups. That's it for our video for today. About the packaging, about the product, about the color, and this is, I was amazed. That's it mga kaboomers. Bye bye. Till the next video again. Oh wait. I use first this one. Though I said the expiration of this one is 6 months upon opening. Since I opened last time, I need to use. Sayang naman. Okay. There are different colors. What I'm going to try. This one, the brown one. The brown one. Oh. I accidentally opened this one last time, so I need to use before it will expire. Do I use it correctly? I'm not a makeup artist. I don't know how to apply makeup. Just trying hard. Wait a minute. It's look good. It's look nice. Nice applicator. Nice makeup from Stay Lauder. Oh, it look nice. Trying hard. Trying hard. Oh, ayun. Maybe next time,
I will do.
tutorial. Maybe I will try for makeup tutorial, though I'm not good at. Wait a minute. Wait again. Okay. That's it. Okay guys, that's it for our video for today. Till next time again. See ya. Bye bye.